I start by sanitizing the stuff from the package. Now a little unboxing. In making this planner, I'll be using KEYNOTE. I start by adding a round edge square. Size it up, and this will be the base cover of your notebook. Choose the color you want. Now I will be adding a new layer of round-edged square. And this will be the pages. Change the color to white and just duplicate it. Adjust it according to your liking, and you can also add some drop shadows to make it look more real. Just repeat the process to add a new layer. Place it on the first one to make it look like the second page. You don't have to add many pages, 2 or 3 is okay. We just wanna recreate that real notebook look. We will now add the ring binder. To do that, just pick a square and size it to small to make it look like the holes on the paper. Just duplicate it on the other side and do the same thing. Then choose a square shape with rounded edge, stretch it into a rectangular shape and make it to look like the ring. Place it in between the two holes. Now that you get the design you like, we can now drag and select the holes and the ring, then group them together. Because you group them, all you have to do is duplicate them. You don't have to make a new hole and ring. Saves you time.
I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to
Now you can duplicate it to fill the rest. At this point, I just went back to change the color. While you're dragging, copying, and duplicating, make sure you lock your pages so they will not move when you drag something. So basically, I have already added the pages tabs, adjusted the colors to my own liking. I also added lines to make it easier to write. Group them all and duplicate on the other side. You can now add some more designs. Add some tables and graphs. Adjust everything according to your liking. So as I have mentioned earlier, this is not a step-by-step tutorial. This is just to share you the idea on how to make the digital planner. I hope it helped you. If you have any question, feel free to message me. Thank you for watching.